Hello, this is Todd Bradley, principal of Craven Early College High School. I'd like to welcome everyone. This is an instructional video to help prepare us for our process of Tuesday and Wednesday of next week as we close out our school year. Craven Early College, our vision is college, career, and life ready each and every day. The purpose of tonight is to provide you with safety processes and a flow of how to return all instructional materials, and also to provide an opportunity for your child and you to make the high school and college grade decisions. Some frequently asked questions: what are the dates of the drop-off for my items? You can choose either Tuesday, May 19th or Wednesday, May 20th from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Choose one of those days. All items must be turned in, and all grade choice forms must be finalized by Wednesday at 5. We will have opportunities after that for you to have questions, but we need to go ahead and get the forms in so we can put things in Power School and finalize our 2019-2020 school year. Who needs to come? If you're 17 or younger, you and your parent needs to come so that you and your parent can sign off on the grade choice forms for high school and college. If you're 18 years or older, then you can complete the mandatory high school and college grade choice forms yourself. This is important, so make sure you have all the items you need before you come through the Bender parking lot to the Bender building, and we will come to your car to pick up these items. So it's important that you look at this checklist. I need to bring computer, charger, cover for the computer. We will have remote learning opportunities, which will be provided by our English teachers for Wednesday, May 20th and May 21st. So even if you don't have your computer, there's still some opportunities to continue your learning. College textbooks. Ms. Edwards, our college liaison, has sent you an email to give you the process. So when you come by and our staff comes to your car, if you don't have to get out of your car, then we can get your college textbooks, get those inventoried, and you're ready to go on to the next table. Make sure you bring all of your textbooks at one time. Your Sprint mobile Wi-Fi hotspot, if you have one of those. Also, 12 Angry Men and To Kill a Mockingbird. If you have those texts, bring those back. Also, Mr. Ruman's Marine Science class, Edge of the Sea by Rachel Carson. What do I need to prepare for? Make sure you and your parent and guardian have reviewed grades in Power School. Take a look at those on Monday, May the 18th. So you will have an idea of what your grade choices will be. So that way you're informed, and we can sit down and when we sign out the form, we'll bring the form to your car. You sign it, and then we'll sign, and then there's be opportunities for questions. And even after that, if something comes up, you can contact the school. We can provide some guidance. When will I receive my high school and college grade choice forms? When you come to us, you'll go through the process, go through the parking lot, stay in your car, go under the breezeway, and our staff will greet you with our face mask on and also our gloves. And we'll provide you those choice forms for high school and college. So we will have those ready for you. So there's no need to worry about those coming in the mail. Then we'll finalize that process that day to serve you. You have Tuesday or Wednesday to make that decision. And then we, myself or Ms. Blaylock or Ms. Edwards, will sign off on the form. High school grade options, just to review. Make sure you look over this for our students and our parents. You have two options there. Grade option form, please review quarter 3 and quarter 4 grades on Monday, May the 18th. We will provide you the forms on either Tuesday or Wednesday, whichever day you choose. You will sign after you make the choice, the highest grade, PC-19 or WC-19. And then Craven Early College front office staff, myself, Ms. Edwards, or Ms. Blaylock will sign off on the form. This is for your reference. There's a few updates here. And take a look at if you're in grade 9, if you're in grade 10 or grade 11, or fourth year senior. Based on high school courses, but our 4th year and 5th year seniors are solely on the college side. So you do have some choices here where if it's a spring semester course, students will choose between a PC-19 or WC-19. This is on the high school side. We'll talk about college side later. Semester 1 grades remain intact with your grade point average, and year-long courses, which we'll get to in a second, you'll get a 0.5 credit for each semester. Semester 1 grade and with GPA, and a choice of a semester 2 grade for 0.5. Teachers have worked very hard in communicating with me in regards to your progress and your effort and your grades each Friday since we've been in remote learning. This is another slide to give you an idea of how your grades work out. So I'll keep this slide up here for a couple of seconds, but you can go back and review the video because it is a lot of information. This is just to help you, help your parents, and help us transition smoothly as we close out the school year, and also provide you an informed opportunity to make a good decision. This is for year-long courses. There are slides that talk about semester courses versus year-long. Most of our courses are year-long courses, but we do have some courses that are semester. Decision flow chart for college grading. So this is on the college side. And we're working and communicating with the college, Craven Community College, and the leadership team for grades 9, 10, 11, and 12. There is college and career promise guidance for how your grades will be, how you will choose your grades, how will they look on their high school transcript and college transcript. So we'll be working with Ms. Blaylock and also Ms. Quinn on how that works out. So students in grades 9 through 12 will be awarded final grades based on the following grading system. For the 19-20 school year, students will be given a choice for how each final course grade will appear on the transcript for both year-long and spring semester courses, currently in progress. Students will have two options for final course grade: numeric grade, the highest grade representing learning as of March 13th, or as improved through the semester as remote learning continued, or PC-19 or WC-19. Students will determine how each final course grade will appear on the transcript at the end of the semester, after advising from the teacher in school and in consultation with parent and guardian. When the students choose to report numeric grades as the final grade on the transcript, the numeric grade will be calculated into the cumulative grade point average, following guidelines in the State Board of Education Policy, GRAD 009. Decision flow chart for college grading. Students in grades 9, 10, 11, and our fourth year seniors. When students choose to report a PC-19 or WC-19 as a final grade on the transcript, there is no GPA impact when using these grades. Students will not receive a failing grade. LEAs will advise the use of WC-19 for any student who was failing as of March 13th and was unable to improve through remote learning opportunities. A final grade of PC-19 does award a full unit of credit for a high school course. A grade of WC-19 does not equate to a failing course grade, but indicates a lack of evidence of mastery of standards addressed in the particular course, and that the school is unable to award a unit of credit. Our timeline for high school and college grade decisions. So we gave you an opportunity to review those grades last week. They were still in works, not finalized. Just want to make sure you have information to make an informed decision. And then in this week, we were going to push out these grade decision forms. But we're going to move it to Tuesday and Wednesday as these grades are coming in and being finalized. So you choose either Tuesday, May 19th or Wednesday, May 20th. This is mandatory. So we have to have all of the items turned in and also the grade choice forms signed by you, your child, and also the school staff. So verification forms are signed after you drop off your instructional materials, and we'll go through that process in a second. And if there's further questions you come up with, feel free to give us a call. And if you feel like you need a over the phone call or a Zoom conference, you do have the option for that. High school side would be with the front office staff. And if you have any questions in regards to the college side, they'll be working with Miss Edwards and either Miss Blaylock or myself. So the process for the high school and college grade choice forms and instructional materials closeout as we wrap up the school year. First step, make sure you have everything you need before coming to vendor. So as a student, I have my checklist. It's in this video. So you have your charger, your computer. Place a sticky note on your computer if there's some type of damage. Be specific about what it is so it will help Miss Nika as she gets these ready for next year. Computer cover your college textbooks. Please do not just bring one or two of your textbooks. If you have 4 or 5 textbooks, bring all at one time. This is super helpful for Miss Edwards and our team. Your Sprint mobile Wi-Fi hotspot, bring that back. Second step, check your grades in Power School on Monday, May the 18th. Look at quarter 3 and quarter 4. We will have those grades printed out and ready for you on either Tuesday or Wednesday as you and your parents make this decision. Definitely look over this video, refer back to it, refer back to the first video I shared with everyone in the grading process. Third step, check again. Make sure you have everything that you need before coming to Bender. So when you pull up, you're able to drop everything off and be ready to close out for the school year. That keeps you from having to come back to school, and also keeps you safe and our staff safe with reducing the amount of contact. You will stay in your car when you pull under the breezeway. You do not need to get out of your car. We will come to you. We'll be following the CDC guidelines, Governor Cooper's regulations. Make sure you're safe and we're safe. Choose one of those 2 dates, Tuesday or Wednesday. All items turned in by May 20th at 5 o'clock. This gives us an opportunity to inventory, prepare, and get prepared for next school year. You will also have those grade choice forms. So after you drop off your computer, your college textbooks, and all the items I've asked you to bring, you'll go to another table. You'll have your idea of what you want to choose with a numerical grade, PC 19, WC 19, for the high school, college, all the grades. You will sign, your parents will sign. If you're 18, you can sign. And then I, Miss Blaylock, and Miss Edwards will sign off on our end. So, traveling to CEC, kind of going back to what I was just talking about, make sure you stay in your car. Pull up under the breezeway. Officer Gaskins will be here, our school resource officer, to help direct traffic, depending on time of the day and your availability to get here, and also transportation. We will have our gloves and mask on, and we will get your computer charger, Wi-Fi hotspot, college textbooks, and also the high school texts that have been provided to you by your instructors. So the last step you'll do is you'll pull up to the next table. We will have those set up. We'll have buckets. Our staff will come to you, and you make the decision on the grades by filling out the form. We'll ask you 2 questions. Do you understand your decision? And would you like a follow-up conference? That's not mandatory. It's just if you have any questions. And we're here via phone call if you have any questions anyway. Staff member will sign off on the grade decision form, and after you complete, we will get you a copy of that at a later date, and you'll get a complimentary Craven Early College pen. Just like I do after a presentation with so much information, I remembered another question. So we have different options for you. We'll provide this video, be uploaded to YouTube. We'll send the link to you. You can refer back to that, and also the charts and the step-by-step process to make everything move smooth on Tuesday and Wednesday. If you have a question as a student in regards to an individual course, contact your teacher via email. If you have a question regarding high school or college grading choice or college pathway, contact Ms. Blaylock at 637-6463. Questions on college grades or college choice, contact Ms. Edwards, our College Partnership Readiness Coordinator, 631-0135. And then questions regarding career pathways, contact Ms. Johnson at 637-5706. As we're putting grades into Power School, and if you see there's questions there, please contact Ms. Quinn at 637-5706. Thanks to everyone. I want to appreciate all of the hard work, effort, persistence that our students and our parents and our guardians and our community members have put in place during this transition, quick pivot to emergency remote learning. I appreciate you as a principal, also appreciate you as a father, and I appreciate all of that hard work, support with our partnership in managing and doing everything we can during this pandemic. So we appreciate you again. Our goal is to make sure your child is college, career, and life ready each and every day. We're blessed to be able to build relationships with your children and also the strong community members that provide support to our wonderful school. Thank you for all that you do. We look forward to seeing you either Tuesday or Wednesday of next week.